So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm not going to take up a live stream, so that's why I'm recording some video, right? So previously when I was online I had given one more position here, kind of a position. I will just delete few blocks here, right? And you remember that we took this trade somewhere around here in the zone. Stop loss was below the level and we had our target one as a 1:2, right? So if I reduce this, you will notice that it has hit at 1:3, right? But what I did was like I did booked some profit at this level and then market came down, hit my stop loss, right? And later on again I saw something like SL hunting and good momentum, right? And when it went up at retest level I again bought and I exited somewhere around at 93 3393, and then market went up, came down, and here I again exited the remaining quantity. And so for this trade it has given me a good profit for yesterday, as of now, right? And after that I didn't took any opportunity. In the morning I got this opportunity. I was pretty sure that market is coming down to tap the level and then it will go up again to take everybody's sell, right? And I was watching at the chart, but market, if you switch back to the 1 minute time frame, you will see market straight away went up, right? So it didn't give me a chance at like retracement entry or like kind of no entry it was given me, right? So that's why I was not able to capture that. And in between this also, if you are available at night or in the evening as per my time zone, so if you can mark like this swing to this swing, you will get this 0.5 setup, 0.5 0.618 setup, right? And you will get target also, and even if market reverses you will hit your target first. So if your stop loss get hit at cost to cost or at SL, you will still be in profit because of the risk reward ratio and the target which it has given, right? So we'll just look at the chart. Okay, it's on 15-minute time frame, market coming down, and the reason for this trade is simple. I will just delete this swing because it will create some confusion in for you, right? So those who remember, you see these are the swings which had in market. So it went up, it came down, again it went up, so it will again come down, it will tap the zone and then it will go up. This is my prediction as of now, right? Because I see there is a swing here and I consider this as a fake breakdown, right? So what I'm expecting, if I switch back to the 5 minute time frame, just give me a moment. I had some pending orders in the market, right? So let me see if that gets executed or not, right? Okay, one order got executed at candle low, and second order, like the price trigger, but my order is not executed, right? Fine, I think it will get executed for sure. And I had like keep less quantity because there is a lot of confusion in the market, in the sense that if this is a uptrend, it should tab level and it should directly go up, right? After the swing breakout, I'm saying, right? So it has to go up, but it's coming down, and if it is coming down, so that's why I am getting the price at a discounted level, right? So that's why I'm planning to enter somewhere around here itself, right? And I will quickly explain you the, like I have already explained you the logic, but I will quickly explain you the stop loss as well, right? So far as of now, my only one order got triggered, second order is still pending, right? So I had like two orders in the market, one got executed and second one is pending, right? I will show you for sure, right? So let's come back here and we'll discuss about this setup. I have like second screen where my every order is getting monitored, right? So I don't need anything. I just wanted to make sure that orders get executed, right? But one order got executed, that's fine. We can hold it for big target because SL is going to be like only 5% of my daily stop loss limit, right? Anyway, so what I'm telling you, like what we were discussing about this, see, this is the good fall, this is a retracement, right? And it is at the retest level also. You see there is a support also, right? This is also a support zone. So what you can do in trendy market, you can like mark from top to bottom Fibonacci. You will see a market respecting your zone, you will get a confirmation. You can obviously sell, keep SL above the level, and your target should be somewhere around here, and probably what I suggest is 1:2, right? So if you see, if you got a candlestick confirmation and candle close, your stop loss is going to be like 4 points, and here you got almost 1:2.5, or my target is initial target like 1:2, right? So if my 1:2 target hits, I'm going to book the 50% profit, and then I will hold the rest quantity. And you see your market reversal, so here you can exit at any time at CTC or with the small profit, like kind of a thing, right? And there are also two cases here. High, for this case I have marked a Fibonacci from, let's see, bottom, sorry, top to bottom I have marked. You can mark it like you miss this zone, you also miss this trade. You can do it like this way. If you are confident in your setup, if you think that this is just a stop loss hunting, so market will go up, it will come at retest and then it will go up, right? And the trend was positive here. If you see, everybody's SL was there, everybody's SL got hit, market reversed, there was a small resistance here, it came down and again it went up, right? So you can take trade here as well. How you can take it? Just mark bottom and top as a Fibonacci and you will again see a support zone here, a morning star pattern here, right? And here also you can mark in between, like in 1 minute time frame, you will also, like you can also mark like this is a up move, this is a retrace, this 5 minute candle close green, and this was support zone, so first target, second target, you can mark it like this. This is a really good setup entries, guys, right? Because you see, you got a confirmation on higher time frame, you got a confirmation on lower time frame, you got a confirmation on 5 minute close, you got a hammer candle, you got a pattern, most of the things you got in already, right? And you see 1:2 hit it. Now I don't worry about this trade. Even if come down here, hits my stop loss, that's I don't need to worry about that, right? And the same thing happened as well, right? I told you I was about to buy it here, but I didn't got chance, because in 1 minute time frame, even if you switch, you will see a direct up move in the market, right? So if you see, this was the swing, this was the swing, market open gap up above the swing, it didn't sustain, came down, we have a trend line as well, right? So I'm not saying that this trend line will work, but it coming down, that means I'm assuming that this trend line is working as of now, right? So it did came down here, it consolidated here, and you know guys, as soon as I need SL hunting of the swings here, right? See, this was the swing, actually this was the resistance level for yesterday's closing, right? So market came here, if market really wanted to go up, it would have like gone upside like this, right? But it didn't went up, it came down, it consolidated here. So this was the first trade for this downside, because you see downfall, a channel pattern, and again downfall, and in between that I told you sometimes they gives you what, a fake breakout. You see a fake breakout here, so this is what actually I mean, right? So this happened in the market, and if you see, it came down here. Now after this level there is a first SL and second SL. You see, everybody's SL got hit, it was like it, let's say it tapped the level and then it straight away went up, right? Now tell me, where is the people's SL? See, here one small swing is there, but it's just like retest level. So here is the first SL, here is the second SL. Market took everybody's SL, gave a rejection candle, here inverted bias, and then it just fell down. Now we can say both here, it's a positive momentum retracement, and it can go up, because this is a very strong momentum, right? So these can happens in the market, we have to be like ready for that, right? Now if you see, we have a swing here, we have a high here, and now what I believe here is, I can see there was a support zone here, right? See, it did fake breakdown here, again it did fake breakdown here, and you see we need some change of character, break of structure. You see, this is I am looking for, right? So this is the change of structure. Now I'm saying like this is the retracement, it will again tap the level and then it will go up. This is my prediction as of now. I don't know, I have not looked at the news, I have like, I didn't looked at anything, I just placed my 3 buying orders. One which was got trigger in the previous candle, it was giving me a decent profit, but not exactly the which I was expecting, right? And now I had another 2 orders pending below these trades, right? So now let me check how much orders I have executed. So I think I have executed my 3 orders. One, let's see, two is at 3380, one is at 3379 something, right? So it is just like 1 point away from the previous level, right? So let me just come back here, and we'll now we'll see. Now if I get a confirmation, I can add another 3 quantities. See what confirmations I needed. Right now the pattern is like this, right? At any time if pattern shift is like this, gives a retracement and a hammer candle or any kind of a confirmation, I am going to add at every confirmation few quantities more, right? So this is currently I am planning, right? And the thing is that now I shifted to 1 minute, because I know from here market can travel. See, this was my support, let's say this was the support zone, and this was the breakdown, and here it was the candle, which like, see, breakdown, retest, and it has to go down, but what happened here, it went up and it just straight away went up. So here, this was my price for entry. See, this was my price, actual price for entry, but here it was going upside. So I thought, okay, let's make this zone, this zone as a support zone. Here I entered, here I entered, and here I entered. So there are like 2-3 entries I placed in the market, and now that are like going to give me an average of what? Let me just check what is my average. 3379.9, sorry, 3379.8, sorry, 3379.8. So my average is somewhere around 798 something. Yeah, probably here. So my average is here. Okay, it's about to go down, but let's just wait here for our stop loss, right? So I have not discussed about the stop loss. So let's just switch back to the higher time frame, because we have taken this trade based on the higher time frame, right? Don't worry about the quantity. I had like very less quantities taken for these trade, right? So I was not expecting this kind of a very sharp red candle, but obviously we have to keep a buffer, right? So this is going to be like our SL 3.5 points. It's approximately fine, right? And one more thing, I have not added full quantities because of one reason, and that reason is simple, because I have not got any confirmation. And I'm, see, these are the SL hunting candles. I can say these are the SL hunting candles. Why? Because here everybody's SL will be present, so it will hit the SL. So where should I keep my target, keep my SL, right? Let's just come back here. You see, these are the swings here, so I can keep SL at these levels, right? I think it will not give me a sign here, but let's just wait here, because I have already executed 3 trades. I actually got one hammer candle here, but no, it's not a green candle. So we'll do one thing. Okay, I have exactly entry at this candle high. So if I want to take add quantity, it will be, I will be adding at my cost only, right? So I will be not interested here at this level. I was about to tell you guys. So if this candle high get cross, I'm going to add quantities, right? But already I have one order which is executed here, right? So I wanted to make an average price somewhere around here, right? So I wanted to enter somewhere around here only, right? But I didn't got chance to enter here, because I'm already at here entered one quantity, I mean one order, right? So what I can do here, I can wait here, and we'll just see how this trade goes, right? And the target, you will see, even I have modified my SL, it is still more than 1:2 for this swing. But those who know, guys, those who know what is this, we have like consider, let's say this is the swing, and this is the what we call it as, this is the high here, right? So if market follows a uptrend, it should go up and cross the high. So first it will cross this stop losses, it will take all people SLs, and then it will move up. It can go till like this line, it can go anywhere in between this, right? So I guess I'm good at the target. I just need to follow the risk management. That's it, right? So I'm expecting kind of a movement, something like this. So it's like coming back, retesting, and then going upside, like this setup, right? So anyway, I'm at CTC now. I'm only at $1 loss as of now, right? Anyways, fine. So I will switch back to the 5 minute on my broker chart as well. There are 2 minutes to close the candle. If this candle closes hammer, 5 minute candle, I guess if this candle closes hammer and again it gives some kind of a retracement, we can add somewhere around here, right? And by keeping the SL same, it will be like 2 points SL for the trade, right? And keeping target like first swing, it will be around here. So we'll book half quantity here, and then we'll hold the rest quantity for like let's say it will be a gamble trade, because I'm going to hold it for maybe 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. I'm not sure how much time I'm going to hold it, right? It will be 1:10. It can be, it depends on how market gives me, right, entries and exit like this. But anyway, I'm entered with like, let's say 50%, not 50%, but I'm entered with a decent quantity, 3 quantities of 0.02 each, right? Fine. And we'll wait here, almost $20 risks in this trade. We'll see if market takes $20 from us, or it gives us like $50-$60, right? Okay, till the time, let's just see if we have BTC, how it is performing. Okay, it's in downtrend and it's like consolidating here. It went up, it given a fake breakdown. These was the supports, and here it did give a fake breakdown. So I guess it can move up higher, and we can mark a Fibonacci from either from this swing till this low, like here, and then we'll get somewhere around here. So it can travel to these levels, right? Anyway, just wait here and we'll watch market, because we have just come back from the gold, right? And for the BTC, it's kind of a bearish sign, so I'm not sure on this. Okay, it's a consolidation after the downfall, and it's like consolidating in 4 hour time frame. I guess it's going to get ready for the second fall, right? And second fall will be the same. If you consider like this, it was 3000 points fall, so it can travel and reach 1000 round number, 1100. Sorry, 1000, 100,000, right? 100,000 and 1000. I can say, can't say number, right? 1000 round number, 100,000 it can reach, right? Okay, fine. So Ethereum, how it is going, it's doing the same. It has like head and shoulder, everybody, the sell got hit and it got a rejection. I don't think so. The like actually these are the good trade setups to trade, but I guess it's not at the right level. But if you really want to take a trade, you can plan like this. If you have a good risk reward ratio, I guess it will take the sell and then fall down, because by looking at the previous candle, I can really see this is like indecision candle. If this candle closes in 1 hour, 1 hour candle closes below the level, it will create some kind of a selling pressure here, right? So at that time it will create some kind of a let's say selling pressure. It can lead market to come to this level, so it will give you like 1:1. But I guess this is not a good risk reward ratio, right? And I guess there is a trap. Fine, there was a good trap here. Okay, we need to go to the gold, guys. So I think gold is hitting our stop loss, so let's just move to the gold and see. Okay, yeah, it's about to hit the stop loss. Let's wait here, and we'll wait for candle close here, and then we'll close the trade, right? Immediately. You see my mouse is going down. That's meant I'm about to take my SL if it doesn't gives me rejection from my level, right? Okay, fine. So I extended my chart. We'll just come here, mark the swing which we already marked here, and we'll see if that works or not, right? Fine. And now for this trade, I have not put SL in the system. There was a reason, it because it was let's say this trade I took it with the less quantity, right? And when I took it with the less quantity, I can manage it, right? Even if drops by like 10-20 pips, I can still manage. And if now we'll tell you, when I put SL in the system, I entered with like 100% quantity, and I am at 100% risk. I'm going to put my stop loss in the system, or it's like a scalping entry. This is not a scalping entry, guys. I never told you I'm going to scalp it here. It's like 70-80 pips trade, right? Yeah, scalping entry can give you 70-80 pips. Okay, it has given me a one green candle, so I'm going to add one quantity here to take an average, right? Just to make an average, right? So I did. Okay, it got a triggered at high, right? So it made a high and then my entry got triggered. Anyways, fine, nothing to worry. I just added one more quantity here because I was waiting for some kind of a momentum, right? Here if you see, it's a breakdown and a hammer candle. Looks like my let's say analysis was right here, right? Now let's say I'm entered with like 60, not 60. Let me count how much entries I have, right? I am entered with like almost 80% quantities. I am entered with the 80% quantities, but here my average is now shifted to where? Let's say it's 9.2, right? Yeah, here my average is now shifted to this, right? So you see, previously my SL was like 3.5. Now it's like around how much? It's like 2.5 now showing, right? But it should be around 3.3 only, right? But here for the remaining quantities which I added, like few quantities I have added here, and the quantities I have added here, right? So for these quantities I have a very less SL. Let's say it's like around 30 pips only, right? Previously it was like 35-40 pips, but now it's like only 40 pips here, right? Anyways, we'll wait here, and we'll do one thing here. Ignore this. This is like a risk reward ratio is good, but I will tell you where to take that SL and when to book the stop losses kind of a thing, right? So we'll hide everything. We'll switch back to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, 15-minute is also not looking good, but it has a good sign. Just give me a moment. I will tell you what is the good sign. Good sign is like 1 minute remaining and the candle is just give me a moment, guys. Yeah, so 15-minute good sign is that it's like hitted the SL like this. You see wicks like this. So these are the positive signs for me, right? See these wicks. Are you getting my point? These wicks are the positive sign. So it did hit it and close above. So even if it, like, this is the downfall, even it goes up for retracement, I think I'm going to get 1:2 target. But let's just wait here, because this is going to be like my today's first trade of the day, right? So I can take risks in this trade, right? And obviously I didn't took many trades before, but we'll wait here, right? I'm at like $7-8 in loss right now, but fine. We can wait here, right? Fine. Okay, and let's just unhide everything right now. Let me see how much is the video length right now. It's about 20 minutes. So I guess it will be better if I just started live streaming right now, but it need to be set up, right? And after the setup we can do it, right? Okay, fine. I just wanted to make a short video on the previous trade update which was here, and then I took like this trade I got SL hit for the remaining quantity, and this trade I entered and I booked one like target, and then with the trailing SL I exited, right? Anyways, fine. Let's just wait here. Okay, market has did few things here, but let's just analyze market here, right? So it's a hammer candle, and market can come back here to test the level and then it can go up. So that is a possibility, right? Because it's like I know market, what market can do, right? So even after this candle, if the low get crossed, I'm not sure I will be exiting the trade for 100%, right? Because I will be waiting for now. Now at that time, if market goes again down, I will be doing what? I will be not doing anything. I guess it will be a consolidation day for me, right? It will be a good consolidation day then, because I missed the entry on the top here, because see, for this downfall, this is the retracement, this was the retracement, and again there is the downfall. So this downfall will come like this, right? But anyway, we have a good buying level, we have a good buying things here, we have a good support kind of a thing here, and we have a good wick here. So I'm expecting kind of a going upside, because it went up, came down, again went up, again came down here, again it will tap and it will go up, and in between this it has hit SL as well, right? So if SL hits become successful, at least it has to cross the swing at high, there will be again a trend line, so it will come somewhere around here and then it will again fall. But if sometimes, if like if it gives a breakout, it will be a long consolidation breakout on higher time frame, right? So at that time we can expect like these target, right? So if you just match up this, we entered somewhere around here and we are getting like 30-40 points, that will be a very good trade, right? But let's just wait here, because it will take time, guys. See, it took almost like 2 days here, 2 days it is just consolidating here. Maybe we need a full day to reach this target, right? Or even sometimes what happens, it gives like candles like this and giving a good profit like this, right? But we have to just trade, we have to be like active in this setups, and we have to, okay, 1 hour candle we haven't seen, right? I guess can exit at CTC right now to enter at bottom, right? Because I guess if this candle makes a bottom wick here, and it will take everybody's SL. Are you getting my point? The candle just started, so if it comes down, takes this SL again, candle low SL, and then it moves up, we can like close here with like $7-8, and then it will go up, it will come down and it will again shift to structure, right? So here we can add again, instead of taking SL at this low, we can like exit here with the CTC or with the very small stop loss, and we can enter at here again if we get a chance. So these are also few things that I try and do in the real market, because I know where, or what I can do here, like I will be selling same quantity. Let's say I have shorted 0.10 lots, right? So I can sorry, I have bought 0.10 lots, I will be shorting again 0.10 loss, right? So short and buy, it will be same for me, right? And if market comes down, breaks down below, I will be at no loss, no profit. But when market reverses, gives me structure, I will be booking that sell position. So at that time I will be booking my sell profits, and I will be having buy loss, right? And once market goes up, my buy loss will be recovered, and I can exit at CTC, or can exit at my target, right? Based on that, right? But here I will be locking some profits for sure, right? Anyways, let's just see. As of now, it has created bottom wick, and as expected, I told you it will tap the level. I think it didn't tap the level, but I guess it went down, right? But it has given me a small swing here, and let's just wait here, because see, we were waiting. I told you it will, like, it went up here. I added here only. It will tap the level, right? Let's just delete this. We'll keep horizontal line here, right? See. I wanted to tap it here, right? So this is the exact horizontal line here. So I wanted market to go up and tap the level and then go up, right? So it did same thing, and now we have like first swing which is crossed. Now see what was happening here, it was going down like this, right? Now what happened here, it went up like this, right? So we'll do one thing, we'll wait for this swing because I needed some buying momentum, right? So I will mark Fibonacci from bottom to top, and if market comes down here again, I will be adding one more quantity, because here it will give me another confirmation like retracement. I will be adding here, right? Buy, and then we can hold it for bigger target, right? And if not, if like it directly reverses, it will be a trap here because the sellers are present here, right? So it will be a trap here, and as I told you, it will come, market will come down, hit this 1 hour low, and then it will go up, right? So at that time we'll average our trade, like we will add some sell quantities here, we'll hedge our position, and then once market goes in our favor, I will be like, we will be doing that thing, right? Fine. So as of now, the candle is reversed, and we have to just wait here, right? Nothing to worry. Okay, 5 minute candle is closed like green here. Okay, not, it's like an indecision candle, guys. To be frank, it's a indecision candle. See this 5 minute candle showing positive momentums, extra positive momentum. These candles showing, see, till this it was showing very good momentum here, right? Then there was a small pause, again good momentum. There was a small pause, again good momentum. So are you getting my point? So these uh, this thing I'm expecting here, guys. See, these things I'm expecting here, right? I don't know how much time is right now. I guess it's 3:30 only, right? I guess it will give us good entries at 5:30 for sure, because it will be a session opening timing for the markets, right? So other markets, so I guess there will be so much liquidity and so much volume in the market. So at that time, I guess they will move market upside, very upside, or very downside. They can move market because at that time there will be fresh liquidity and all these things, right? So at that time we can get, like, we can expect an immediate, more immediate rally in the market, immediate rally or immediate downfall we can expect in the market, right? Fine. As of now, I am at like $2 profit. Fine for me because it is at 3379. Nah, I am at like 3379.2 or something. I have like entry. Like if I wait for like 2 or 3 seconds, I would have got like 0.5 discount for my one entry, which I took after the good red, good green candle, right? So I did entered after this candle, right? And when I entered, the price was at top, right? So if I wait for like 1 or 2 3 seconds, 4 seconds, I would have got average price somewhere around here, right? So not much, but I would have definitely saved this 0.6, 0.5, and that 0.5 will be giving me right now like almost, yeah, $5 6 right now, right? But it's currently giving me $3 or $4 only, right? Because I entered at top here, right? So if I entered at here, it will be a good profit for me, right? But anyways, fine. We can wait here and we'll do it like this. Okay, we have a resistance, trend line resistance. I don't usually follow these guys, right? I just mark it because I know here it can take resistance. So if it take resistance, I'm not going to sell it here because I know this is in the golden buying zone. So I have to just look for the buys. After everybody is landing, I have to just look for the buys, right? Okay, fine. So my average price is like 79 point something. Yeah, 2 or 1 point something like this here itself. So if it goes up, I'm in profit. If it comes down, I'm in loss. So currently I'm in loss, right, as of now, because of the spread issue. Otherwise, I will be in good profit right now, right? Fine. It's not crossing the levels, I can say, because you can clearly see, though we are getting some good momentums here, we were not able to cross the swing here. So when I told you guys, it has to cross the swing, then come back here, and then only I'm going to add. Otherwise, I'm going to add into the sell position, and in sell position I can like hedge my position, and then I can decide whether to take stop loss or not, right? Fine. We'll just wait here. Okay guys, so I guess we are good as of now. 15-minute candle, I guess there are still 5 minutes left. But I was expecting some kind of a positive momentum here, but I'm getting like indecision candles, right? So that means buyers and sellers are fighting. So instead of getting trapped, I guess I can reduce my quantity here at CTC and then wait, or I can hedge my quantity, right? So that the loss will be same for me, right? And there was a reason behind it, because if you see on 30-minute time frame, it's like almost breakdown kind of a scenario here, right? See, almost breakdown, and if market wants to take really the stop losses, it can travel how much? Okay, 40, 50 pips, 70 pips. I can take all this, like I can keep, see, I have a account size, I can take like this SL and then I can hold it for this target, right? But that will be only one trade, so it doesn't worth my account, right? One trade to be like to go to the moon or to come back and waiting for again another what do we say, another pain, right? So I don't think so that will worth it to keep that much SL, right? Okay, 5 minute candle close. We have a support zone here. We'll do one thing. We'll wait here, guys. We'll wait here. We will wait here. I will be pausing recording and then we'll meet again after some time, right? Fine. But really, I don't know how to pause the recording, man. How to pause this recording in here? There is only one option, stop recording here. How to pause recording, right? I need to search it, man. See how to. Okay, I think I need to enable the setting and then I need to pause recording. You can typically finish the button to end the current session. You can start new session. There is a dedicated pause button for recording in a start workflow, enable record ending. Oh man, I need to do this thing, right? Okay, anyways, we'll just wait here and we have seen some kind of a rejection from bottom from the same level. And how much time it has tested? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's like a breakdown here. Let's call it like this. Okay, it's a very big zone. It's a very big zone. Okay, it's like a very big zone, guys. See, it's a very big zone. We have a wix. Yeah, this is not fair, right? This is looks fine, right? This also looks fine, but okay, this is also looks fine, right? But this doesn't looks fine, right? Anyways, I guess it's not good as of now. Downfall, retracement, and again downfall. It's kind of showing this trend, right? But the candles here are like making indecision candles. The candles are like indecision candles, so I'm not able to take the decision, right? Decision here, right? I was sure to add in my positions if I get like very small confirmation like this. It went up, it crossed the swing, it came down. Here I will be adding. Here I will be adding. And then it goes up. I'm like, I was sure on this. But what happening here? It is not crossing the swing. It has like crossed the very small swing. And if it crossed, that means this is going to be like the support zone. And it does taking support. But this is like on the way swing here. There is a stop which was here. And there was a stop which is here. So I needed something like this. And then even if market comes down here, I can enter here with the SL like this, and then I can like plan the trade, right? So these things I'm currently waiting, but not as of now, right? Okay, we'll just wait here. We have a good support here. Let's see, this is the support zone. See, this was the fake breakdown, and now we can say this was the support which market took. Again, those who entered here, everybody's SL is there and they are out from the trade, and now it's giving us the sign here, right? So let's just wait here, and I think we can modify this because we no longer, because we have a swing here, right? We know this was our level and market is really bounced from our level, right? So this is going to be like our swing, right? And what we need actually right now here is this. Where was the SL heated, guys? Let's just mark this. Okay. This was the support, right? And I guess this line is also good. I don't know why I draw this line. Maybe on 30-minute, 15-minute time frame, this was the support, right? Yeah, it was a support on this higher time frame. See, exactly market took support here, right? We'll delete this, which is creating confusion. We'll delete this is also creating confusion. I will delete this entry as well because it is creating confusion. I will delete this buy zone. I will delete this entry. Then what I can do, I will delete this. It is creating confusion. Okay, I will delete this. I guess we don't need to delete this line, right? So we can extend it here. And yeah, so this was the good setup. I mean, this was the good level. Took support, and here it did give a breakdown, but it was actually kind of let's say planned by the market operators, right? And they like went up, and just see from day low, let's say previous day, up to the lowest swing. From that level they went up to almost day high, covering a full day rally of almost 30 points, 300 pips. That was like, you can't imagine these things in a one way rally, right? Even if you see here, it did take like some bottom wick, top wicks like this structure, but here there was only one top wick and there was only one bottom wick. So you can imagine that how much they were interested to take everybody's SL and then going up and again hitting SL at day high. So they were very much interested at these levels, right? Fine, 15-minute candle close, and it did close as per our expectation, but it's kind of a looking like a mother baby candle. This is the mother, and inside that there is a 15-minute candle, right? So that is kind of a good thing. If high get crossed and candle closes above this, it will tap this level for sure at least, right? So 81, we can expect 81. Then there are like multiple wicks from the top. See, there is a very strong rejections candles on 15. Okay, this is a 15-minute time frame. So these are the rejection candles, very strong rejections candles. So market really tried going upside from these levels, but it failed and came down here, right? So indeed there is a selling pressure, and we can see the selling pressure here, but we can also see the buying pressure from bottom as well, right? So we are like kind of stuck in this situation right now, right? So it's hard to predict where market will go, but definitely, okay, I will tell you, I will just move this entry somewhere around here, right? I will tell you what happens in the market and how you get traps here, right? Every time you see there is a downfall, there is a retracement, either you enter here or do not enter. Keep SL like this and enter here or here. Don't enter here at this level. You see a breakdown or kind of a wick candle, don't try to enter it in the market. The reason why, because you are entering when the momentum is already done. So even for this, if market gives a retracement, you can't handle it, you can't process it. And if it gives a like rejection, and let's say it a double bottom and then it straight away went up, you can't handle that, because see, your SL is going to be like very huge. So that's why I told you, if you want that this is a fall, if you see this is a fall, this is a retracement, you short it here after the whatever the confirmation is there, short in this region only. Don't short it here because you already missed this fall. If you want, you can like you see, you again market at this level, you want to see, okay, market is going down, it can go down. What you can do, you can like take like only 5% or 10% quantities of your regular size, and then even like when market goes up here at this level, you can try shorting because you were about to short it here as well, right? So you are getting at discounted price, you short it here, keep the same SL, and if market reverses, that's fine. If not, take your SL, and that will be very less, because see, instead of taking this big SL, you are taking only this small SL, and this can save you from big loss, right? Now at this level, if I wanted to short, I can like short it here. I told you we have analyzed here, if market like here market went down, it is consolidating, it can go down and it can give me the same amount here, I mean same points here. See how much it went up, it went up like 9 points. So I can get another 9 points by taking these SL, right? These SLs. So I can get this 7-8 points for sure, but I need to be sure this has to be like work, this has to be work like let's say This is we'll do it like this. So this is the thing here. We have this thing, and after the breakdown it can travel 8 points, right? So here I can take only scalping entry, and my SL should be like here only, not here, here or here. If market reverses, takes my SL, I have to like get out from the trade, right? And keep in mind that these setups you have to trade like 3 to 5 setups each day. These are like scalping setups. Scalping is not like only one trade you can take in whole day. You have to take multiple entries, right? So if your risk is like $100 for the day, you can divide it like $20. So you can take trade with this $20, and then if stop loss hits, you have to wait patiently for the next setup. Then you take again second trade with $20, right? And you can book like 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5, because this is a small stop loss, big target setup. Here stop loss is like, let's say how much is the stop loss here. So you're shorting it somewhere around here. Let's say, let's just wait here, shorting with like 13 pip SL, and your target is like 70 pips, almost like 1 is to 5 setup is there, right? So you can book like 1 is to 2 half profit, and then hold trace quantity by keeping or trailing your SL at CTC, right? You can do that, right? And by, see, you have booked like $10 or $20 profit, and then you are holding half quantities, and you got 1 is to 5, so it will be around let's say to $50. So overall you will book say 60 or $70 if your target get hitted, right? So that will save you from another 2 to 3 trades. So even if you lost some money in next 2 3 trades, you will be still in profit, right? Now I will tell you, see, I told you I'm going to add only if market crosses the level and come back here. Now market came back here at my buying price, but I have not added even a single quantity. Why? Because it has not proven that I have like structure to change the way of market. I have not, like here it has not given any type of indication. Yeah, it is showing me some positivity at my levels, but that doesn't means market is going upside. If market really wants to go up, it can go directly up, right? So here also you see, this was the first breakout, it came down here, tapped the level, but here this swing never crossed, right? I can do it like this way. See, we have like, actually these are the equal highs here, this is also we can consider as equal highs here, right? So if market makes a high like this, see, price went up, price went up, price came down, price came down, again price went up, so again price went up, again price came down, again price came down, it hit everybody's SL, let's say it hit everybody's SL, it went up. Instead of crossing this thing, even if crosses the swing here, right, and closes a strong candle above this, and even if I get any rejection or retracement here, I will be getting some kind of a confirmation here. Where is my mouse? Where are you, man? Where are you? Let's just give me a moment, guys. We'll try to escape it. Yeah, here, right? Fine. Okay, I don't know why it's not moving. Okay, it's moving right now, right? Fine. Fine, I just lost my mouse, right? Okay, and also we lost our drawings, right? So let's just switch here. We'll draw it for you. It's kind of this thing. And here I can enter because I see kind of momentum. Though this swing was not broken, but this was broken. It's showing some positive momentum, right? Okay, my mouse again got dead, man. What, I don't know. I think the sale is expired, right? So I need to use the cable mouse. Just give me a moment, right? So I will just turn it off and on. Escape this. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure whether the settings are changed or not, but as of now I have just like locked this. It's like we're not convenient, but let's just see. I need to buy some batteries for the mouse, right? So we'll just close all drawings here. See, I told you, right? So 5 minute candle didn't close well, and this 5 minute just went into what? Just mouse batteries changing and all, right? Switch back to the 15-minute time frame. See, 13 minutes remaining, and the candle is not good. Previous candle, I thought it. Let's just open this. Yeah, I thought it will move up higher and close above the previous candle, right? But it's not currently moving up higher. So that means we have to worry, right? And the thing to worry is only one. On hourly candle, I'm expecting it to, like, here there are just expectations, so market will come down, it will again create some big wicks like this, and then it will shoot up. I am expecting kind of things here, right? But let's just wait, keep in mind our SL, and then we can see, right? Okay, I can see there is a rally 5 minutes. These are good buying candles, but these two sell candles are not that much good, right? I guess this mouse is very fast. I am not used to it, right? But I can see this is like SL hunting here, and it went up, it retraced, it tapped the level, or it removed the sellers here, and it can move up higher, right? So if any candle, 5 minute candle closes above the previous candle like this above the candle, I'm going to add my remaining quantities here, right? Because here I too see a good momentum and good stop loss hunting, up move, rally, and again up move. Any candle close above previous red candle, I'm going to add some quantities. Otherwise, I'm going to hold it with the current SL, right? So let's just wait here. There are still few minutes left for this candle close, and it's currently giving me good sign. But good sign, it should show on like this. See, currently there is like this high, this high, this high. No high is crossed. So if it crosses the high, that means it proving that there are still buyers who are interested, and these buyers are strong. So we need strong closing, not even just like crossing. We need strong close. So if we get a close above the swing, like these are the sale candles, if we get any close here, and even if we get a small rejection, I'm going to add another four quantities, two quantities, and then I'm going to hold it for this first target and second target like this, right? So I have not checked how much is the target, but let's say it's like 30 pips and 60 pips, right? Probably I will not book here, but let's just see whatever the risk reward comes in the market. Now we are going to do that, right? Switch back to the 15-minute time frame, 1 minute to close, and you see 15-minute candle is not looking good as expected, right? So let me switch back to my broker. If market gives a sudden fall, I need to take my sell, right? And you know, these are not the what do we say, these are not good candles at all, right? For like, I need to be like very quick, fast to execute my orders, right? Because I am almost at like 75-80% quantity I have put in the market, right? Fine. Or I can hedge it. Let me just refresh my broker and then add hedge position, so that my loss will be the like my loss will be constant. 4 orders, fine. And then we are at, actually it was giving me profit. This last quantities was giving me good profit, so I wanted to book that to reduce the quantity, but I thought let's do one thing. Let's average up the quantity, right? I mean, not average up, let's just like we have bought it, let's just sold the equal quantity, and once market gives us sign, that means we can close our selling quantity, and then we can hold the buys, right? Fine. Let me just add a few quantities. I mean, let me just punch my order here, not execute my order, right? Let me just add my order here. Okay, 15-minute candle, you see it is not closed as per the expectation, guys. See, it is not closed as per the expectation. What I was expecting it to close above like this, right? I wanted it to close green like this. We have green color, yeah, we do have a green color like this, I was expecting. And how it closed? It closed like this, with no rejection from bottom. See, it closed like this, and it has a top rejection as well. See, now this is called as buying, this is called as selling. So you know that market is going to take the sell, right? So you know what you have to do, right? So let's just wait here, and we'll see. Okay, I'm just amazed by my total quantities, right? Fine. Let's just wait here. Nothing we can do as of now. Instead of taking SL, we can average up the quantity, right? I mean, we can add in the opposite direction and we can hold. If we see a reversal, then we can close the trade on the sell side and we can hold our buy, right? Fine. 4 hour candle I was looking at and I was about to tell you this kind of a shit. See, this kind of a shit is not looking good to me. Take up a black, you see a downfall, a consolidation. There was like sellers invited, I mean sellers trapped, then buyers trap. Again there was some buying, so kind of a not good scenario here, right? Still waiting here, not added anything, not done anything. I think it created a bottom wick here, but let's just wait, right? Switch back to the, okay, let's just see daily time frame. Daily is, it is that like it did take support. 4 hour, it has like top wick as well as bottom wick, and the previous 4 hour candle low was broken, right? And how much is the pips it was broken? It was broken by almost 20 pips, you can say, right? So it's a good thing that it swept the previous low. We have some buying levels here as well. Hourly candle, not good, I can say, not good, right? But there is a good sign as well as bad sign, right? So I will tell you what is the good sign and what is the bad sign, right? So let's see what is the good sign. See, what is the bad sign? You see there is a reversal candle, there is again red candle, and it has a top wick. The current candle has a top wick. That means it can close again red, because the trend is like red, consolidation, again red. So this is the first thing which is bad. And what is the good thing? You have a hammer candle, you have a tap here, you see you'd have a tap here, again hammer candle. So if market really wants to go up and take everybody's SL here, this is the SL hunting. This is the SL hunting. We entered at exact this price, right? And if market goes up, there is a selling level which is present somewhere around here. Just let's just mark it line. See, almost here and here, which is like if I mark it, it will be probably, let's just say how much where it is. See here, that means 83. Almost we will get 4 points, and here it will be like almost 6, 7, 7, 8 points. So after SL hunting, you can expect a good rally. This is the SL hunting. I told you, na, this is the SL hunting. So we can expect a good rally here. Let's just switch back. Okay, it's looking a good candle. It came at like CTC, right? And I guess I think we will not get time to enter here, but let's just switch back to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, just see, last 30 minutes it took 30 minutes to fall down like this, but it just took 5 minutes to cover up all the candle. You see it covered the all candle here, right? I wanted to add, but it just given one candle, right? Fine. 15-minute candle totally covered. See, this is the 15-minute candle. Now I can tell you my profit, guys, right? See, 15-minute candle totally recovered. And the first target which we were planning, see, the first target which we were planning, it's about to get hitted. I guess it was on 30-minute. Yeah. See, first target, it's about to get hitted in just like maybe 10 seconds. 9, 7, 6, I can say, right? It can hit. Let's just wait for 10 seconds. You will get that. That's it. Done. Target done, guys. See, target 1 done. You see this 15-minute candle high, it just got crossed. I mean, it just got tap, actually, I can say. But see the momentum, guys, which we were expecting. I will tell you also the, see, the rally which I was expecting, right? Because I had my analysis there, right? See, we entered like here, we entered somewhere. I added few quantity here, then few quantity here, and after this candle we added somewhere around here, keeping a sell exactly like this. If you are not sure, if you don't know, just hide this, open this. Okay, we have our okay, let's just delete these drawings, and I guess we have this thing, right? Just keep it here, right? You will see. Yeah, I'm getting very much tired. See, like this. Are you getting my point? And you know where I did mark my swing? I think I moved this, but you know where I did mark the support zone? This was it, right? And from exactly this level, the price went up. See, exactly up from this level, the price went up. Are you getting my point? And now tell me guys, what I told you, I'm going to add in like this position. I will be just reducing this. Exact price is like 79.2 or something, right? Fine. Here, if you see, I was going to, like, I was expecting, see, I told you if any candle closes above this, I'm going to add it here. Now tell me, did market gave you chance to enter at this level? No, right? So this was the reason I was adding like here, I was like adding here, and then I got this candle confirmation, I added here. Actually my buying price should be here itself, but it went up while executing my market order, right? But that's totally fine. So now tell me guys, what should I do here? What should I do? Should I hold it? Should I book it? Or see, 15-minute candle or 5-minute candle, it's just like totally going up and up. And it did give the same momentum. See, this was the same momentum which we expected here, and it's giving the same momentum here, right? So if I like book few quantities here, that will be of I will be reducing my risk, right? But here I guess let's just see how much it has given me with this candle. Let's see, where was this was our entry. Stop loss is exactly, it came here, and it is at how much? 1:7. So we'll keep this target. Probably this we can keep. So I will be booking like as per the candles, previous candles, some profit here at 1:2. I mean half quantities, to be precise, half quantities at that level, right? And after the half quantities booking, I will be booking next quantities. You know guys, this is the target here, right? 1:2. Okay, it's 1:3, right? But I think let me just see my average price here. 2280, 79.228, 79.228, something like this. Yeah, 22. Yeah, fine. And SL is like 35 pips, which was I was planned here, and you see 35 pips. And the next target, okay, we'll book here only, right? I guess here it will be fine. So which that entry which I took here, I will be booking half quantities here. The entries which I took here, average price, I will be booking 50% quantities here, like at this swing here, right? And we do have a peoples here. So after hitting these SLs, after market moves up higher, so in this zone we can market, right? And that's it guys. We'll just wait here for this, and I was regretting that I should have started live streaming instead of the video, right? But nothing to worry, we can do this also. Again, one more thing, I can see this is the breakdown, and I can see this is like a downfall, and I can see, you will notice that this is like tapping 0.5 level, right? So you also need to worry about that. In order to move up higher, this candle needs to be closed at higher levels, so it should not be with the wicks. See, okay, it did close the green, but the next candle is not good. Do we have any news here? Let me see in my broker chart. I actually hide everything, but let's just see. We have a news around 30-year mortgage rate. There is MBA. I don't know what is this, but it has like middle impact. And there are news guys at 6 p.m. in the evening, and that has high impact. Housing start, MOM, then building permits, MOM. I don't know really, because I don't track news as of now, right? So we have a news here, and let's just wait here. The candle close good, I can say, as of now. 15-minute candle is like 5 minutes remaining. Even if it closes, see, if candle closes somewhere around here, that's a good thing, right? Because previous candle there is a sale candle here, right? Previously there is a sale candle here. If candle closes above high, it will test, and then there will be a possibility that it will take everybody's sell, which is here, right? And here we will book our 1:2. And here if market goes, then even if market comes down here, and even if it gives many spike here, even if we exit at stop loss, we are not going to lose anything, right? So this was the current plan, and we can expect, I guess this was a good what we say, retest level for market, downfall retrace, and then it can fall down. So we'll wait here. We'll be not adding quantities here because I was not expecting a good candle here, right? I was expecting a small rally here, but it did went up, so there is nothing I can do here, right? As of now, the retest level is somewhere around here, so expect like this. And even if it goes down, this will be the invitation for bias, right? And I told you from this top to this bottom, this is the 0.5 level. So that is another story, right? But we are in buy. This is the golden buying zone as of now. So we don't need to worry about that. We just need to worry about our SL and the first target, which is here, right? So if market hits my this target for the half quantity, I will be booking how much? Let me just calculate that, right? Delete this and see how much I will get. We need to unhide this thing, right? It will be at 3383, right? So come up this quantities, click on this 3 let's keep it at 83.5, right? So it will be almost $11 I will be booking, right? And how much is my SL? Was around 27, right? So 11 minus 27, how much is it? 11 minus 27, so it will be around $10-15. So my SL will be $10-15 if my target one gets hit, right? And if it hits my target 2, then you guys probably know it is around at 86, right? So 86, I can say 86 is here with the 7, and we had like $56. Okay, I will be in profit of almost how much? Maybe 56. Then how much? How we can calculate that? 56 minus $11. 11 no, but I will be booking half quantities, right? So 7 point. So $50. See, if market reverses from this line, I will be booking like $15 or $17 stop loss, to be precise. And if market hits this level and then reverses, I will be booking approximately like $48 to $50 profit, because here I will be booking majority of the profits, right? But now I guess it was a trap for the buyers. See, downfall, retrace, and then it's going down. So obviously we need to be make sure about our SL, right? So I will be on my SL side, because this is a reversal, total reversal. I can see, right? 15-minute candle, you will see a rejection candle. See, we were in good profit, guys. We were in good profit. Almost how much was profit running? Let me just come at my broker, because if next candle gives a big breakdown, I need to exit, right? We were about like how much? Let's just calculate. Almost $35-36 I was in profit. But let's just wait here. Fine. And this is a good sell off candle, guys. This previous candle will show you this. This candle is good sell off candle with volumes, guys. This was a good sell off candle. This red candles 412, right? That was a very good sell off candle, guys. Okay, how much time remaining? Last minute. We'll keep 15-minute time frame, show everything. Okay, it will create confusion, right? So we'll be doing like this. Hourly time frame. Okay, it did went up. See, it did went up, right? And the negative candle converted into green candle, a full green candle converted into again red candle, and it's now again going down, right? So I guess this is likely to less work, because we had a very strong rejection. If the candle low breaks, please exit from the trade, right? I'm not live currently, but I can say if the candle breaks, it can take everybody's sell. And let's say this is going to be like this, because here is the trap. Are you getting my point? So here is the trap. So this trap works, market will fall down, and you see there is a downfall, there is a time correction, and there will be again down for let's say another 1 or 2 days, right? So if I'm show you on a higher time frame like this, see, this is the thing here, this is the thing here, this is the downfall, a small correction, time correction, then went up. This is a big time correction. We have a trap here, buyer's trap here, it came down here. If it breaks the low, it is going to test the levels, these levels, right? So see, it's almost like 333040 kind of a thing, and it will slowly come down for sure. There will be more traps and all these things, but to be precise, this is not looking good as of now, right? And 15-minute candle close, you can see the color of the candle and the how the candle close and the next candle probability. And 1 hour candle close, there are just like 15 minutes left. So if this is a red candle, that means there are more sellers interested, and if there are more sellers, then the buying came, which was just for the trap. See, if there are buyers, they should move market higher, right? And if market is coming down and on a higherly time frame, it is giving a breakdown, that means these weak or this buying momentum, the momentum which we saw already, it was just a trap. Are you getting my point? So that was just a trap. Are you getting my point? And you see, okay, we need to reduce the quantity and we'll average up here. I will reduce few quantities here because I know I'm going to lose some amount of money here, right? So instead of taking 30-40 dollar loss, I'm going to take only 20-25 dollar loss here, right, in this trade. It's called as the averaging, not averaging, but managing your trade, right? Because you know market is going to take your SL for sure. You have to reduce your risks, right? Are you getting my point? And that's it, guys. That will make you profitable, right? Okay, this type we don't need it. It's on 5 minute time frame. You see total reversal. See, you up move and down move. So if market wants to really go up, it will take the liquidity first, right? And then it will move up. Even or it can see it came down here. The seller's liquidity was present here. It took everybody's liquidity. It went down. I mean, it's coming down. That means here it's just a trap. See, this was just a trap. We can say, right? Okay, fine. And we will wait here. Let's see how much we can do here, right? I'm looking for like a sell entry. I mean, in the sense that let's see what will be my sell entry. See, I'm planning a sell entry somewhere like this. See if okay, I'm not getting a good pattern here, right? The sell entry which I am planning is like this. I wanted to see this was the fake breakout, right? It did close here. If it gives a retracement, it will be like head and shoulder pattern. If I get sell entry here, I can add up a sale here, but if it directly goes down here, I can't add, right? So what I will do, like what I wanted to do right now here, so I had like let's say I assume I have 10 quantities buy here, average price buying here, and I have like 10 quantities selling price here. So currently I'm like hedge, I am like at no loss no profit, right? If market goes up here, I will be adding another 2 or 4 positions on sell side. So if market comes down here, I will be overall 4 at sell. I will be having 4 sell quantities, and if market comes at this level, I will be booking that 4 quantities, and I will be just skipping that which one hedge quantities, right? So I will be booking some profit at 4 quantities. Let's say 4 quantities into this 4 points, let's say 14-15 dollars, or if it is like 8 points or something, it will be like 30-32 dollars I will be booking by hedging my position. By hedging my position, I will keep that hedge open, and I will be buying some positions. I will be like in some profit due to the 4 extra, right? But here I'm not adding that 4 quantities because I don't know, I'm not sure, I am not confident on this sale, as I told you, right? So I will be very confident if I got entry at here, right? Because I told you previously also, if you want to sell, mark Fibonacci like this, sell it here. I told you, if you really want to sell, if you really think market can go down, sell it here. Are you getting my point? Probably here or here, you will see you would have got almost 1 is to 1.5 here, almost 50-60 pips here. Instead of selling it here, you would have shorted it how much? With this SL, your SL get hit, but if you shorted it here, your SL is like same one, but you are now running in a profit of 6 points, that is 60 pips, right? So these things you can try, and we are just waiting here. Nothing as of now. 5 minute candle is about to close, we'll hide everything, and you see 5 minute candle is closing, not good, right? Not good. Every the momentum I saw this reversal, I told it's going to take the sell, right? So that is the thing. I know I'm in the market for like past 4 years, 5 years, and it has to be like this, but it went down like this, so I'm expecting everybody's a sell, right? So we'll just hope if you are in the trade, you are managing it well, right? And 15 minute candle, how it is looking, not good. See, almost 10 minutes, and the previous candle also, see, I told you I needed a candle close above this. See, this 15 minute candle also not close, right? Okay, fine. We'll see some news. Fine. How much time I'm recording? It's almost 1 hour 11 minutes, so I need to process the recording as well, right? We have this unemployment claims, we have these, okay, we have very good Good trades here, right? Okay, market coming up and we need to add some sale positions right here. So we'll be adding some sale positions. Hide everything. Okay. After the hammer candle, I will be adding, right? So for as of now, what I can do, I will delete this. I will be keeping it like this. If I get a rejection here, then and then only I will be adding. Otherwise, I am holding the previous entries, right? To be precise and to be clear. And I guess we also don't need this because it has created choppiness here, right? So I will be adding somewhere around here. Are you getting my point? So this was the support, right? See, this was the support here. Market came down, retested, came down, retested, came down. Again went up, breakout, retest, breakout, retest. So these are the things. Okay, can we create a face? Yeah, I can create a face. Here are the ears. Here are the ears. Here is the mouth, and this is the mustache and nose, right? Fine. Let's just delete this drawing because we don't have anything to do right now, right? Hide everything. Switch back to the hourly time frame. Reset. 7 minutes remaining. Let's see how this 7 minutes goes, right? And remember, guys, I told you by looking at this candle and rejection, I think market will. You see, market will do it. This, I guess, it will take out everybody's liquidity. I mean, it will take out from the buys. I guess it will tap and then it will go up. It will again reach. I think that, right? I'm not sure, but I think market will. Market is consolidating. That means somehow at some point it will come down here. It will trigger everybody the sell and then it will go up, right? Because here it didn't went up, right? So that's the thing to worry. Switch back to the 30-minute time frame. It's a good 15 minute. It's again good. And okay, just give me a moment. Okay, we have this hospital again. Okay, just give me a moment, guys. I had some reports there. Yeah, fine. Okay, that's a good thing. That's a fine. And okay, we are getting rejection. So let me just switch back to the 1 minute time frame and see and hide everything. Okay, it's not at our level, right? So we'll just need to wait here. You see, previously what happened here? We had continuous green candles. Here we have only one green candle. We do have a green candle here, but it didn't cross or close above the previous candle. Let's say it's like average and it didn't close here, right? So if market comes down here, taps like this zone and then went up, we can say it's a positive sign. But if it goes directly down, we can't say, right? But let's just wait here. Let me see some live stream for the peoples who I follow. I do follow more peoples on YouTube, right? But let's just wait here. Mm, okay. Okay, okay, okay. I want to play for some time, guys. What should I do? Should I close it and then share result with you? Because we have already discussed it for the long time. Okay, it's going up and it's almost like I'm recording for an hour, right? I do take a break, but I'm not sure, right? 5 minute candle, it did close bottom way going up. Should I sell? Should I add my sell positions here or not? I'm currently at CTC only. There was a few things. Okay, it's going up in my zone. We'll see if it goes like double tap, double top, retest, and then goes down, then goes up. Okay, it will create an impact, right? How much time remaining to close? 4 minutes, right? So let's switch back to the hourly time frame. 30 minute, 50 minute. Okay, 3 minute remaining to close this. And do we had this kind of a situation anytime here? Yeah, we do had this kind of situation after taking SL. Let's see this one. We had this also, but it went up, retested, and then came down. Took the SL, it retested. So if it took the SL, went down, took the SL, went up, invited bias, came down, retested, and going upside, that means okay, fine. I think it's kind of a confusion scenario. So let's just see. It is at the resistance level right now. Okay, showing no rejection at all, guys. Oh, why, man? Why? This was a very panic situation, guys. This was a very panic situation. Okay, not expected this. How much time remaining? Almost. I think I have added one more tool for the time as well as. Let me see. Yeah, we do have a time on the top, right? We have a time stamp, current live stamp with the seconds timer in the prism. So you will get timing here as well, right? So I was expecting, you see, I was expecting some kind of a rejection here, but it did went up. So no time to sell. And it didn't even cross the low, right? So there are 2 minute lefts. 15-minute candle is closing up high. Again, if it comes down, that will be things to worry, right? I think I should have done few things before entering or adding, right? So if I add it here, few quantities remaining, 20% quantities, I will be in like 4 points in profit. Anyway, fine, we can't do anything, and it's kind of a proving second time, giving us good signs, right? We do have a sell-off zone here, somewhere around here, but I am kind of expecting it to give a breakout, right? So let's just see. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So slight retracement and then going up, so it will at least cross the swing and move up high, right? So it's up to me whether I should I risk this. How much pips? 35 points, 35 pips to take how much profit? To take probably, let's keep it like this, 18 pips, 1 is to 5 probably, right? So should I keep this? Should I risk this 35 pips to take good profit? I don't think so. Why it's not? I'm okay. I think it's on this, right? Okay, fine. Okay, we see good. Okay, we don't see a reversal candle here. See, reversal candle. I'm expecting candle like hammer. See, hammer candle or those. This is the reversal candle. I don't see any reversal candle here. I see these candle or these candles are the reversal candles. Okay, fine. Okay, BCTC went down, right? And we had some kind of analysis here. If I'm not wrong, I had analysis like if this is a fake breakdown, it should go up, right? But it's going down slowly, but right. And we do have Ethereum. It's actually we have not commented on Ethereum, right? We just had our talk on the this one, but I think we didn't got any good confirmation here, right? I guess yeah, we got some confirmation here, right? But on immediately on next candle, see, Let's just see. Where do I see triple bottom or kind of a thing here? See, this was the SL hunting, right? Okay, looks fine, right? Okay, yeah. So this is the triple bottom, and I assume that this was the stop loss hunting. Okay, this was the stop loss hunting, and it has to go up like this, and it just crossed retracement. No, it just went down and hit SL. So those who are not confident, or those who are not patient, those who entered directly at here in the next 5-minute candle, it did hit the SL, right? And target was somewhere around here. So anyway, fine, we avoided that, but I can guarantee you, if we wanted to really take, we would have entered somewhere around here with this small SL, and if we calculate the pips, we would have lost almost like 150 points, not more than that, right? But if you talk about the target, and the target should be almost 400 points, 500 points, 600 points, and 700, 800 points, right? So these were the targets for possibility only, right? Because we didn't took the entry, so there was no reason. And you see, guys, see, I would have not entered here. It just two candles. It just two candle, guys, and after that there was no. See, we do have a closing, but no retest, or see, in 2 minutes we got to know that there will be nothing in the market. See, right? And these are the rejection candles, and again hammer, again like channel pattern breakdown. It's a good trade, right? Fine. Okay, let's move to, I think, 1 hour candle close, right? So let's just see how the gold 1 hour candle close. It did close good, guys. See, I was expecting a rejection candle, but it closed good, right? But we had again few things here. What things here? We have a rejection zone here, we have a rejection zone here, we have a rejection zone here, right? So there are multiple resistances which are in the way. And now tell me, guys, see, market came down here, went up, came down here, again went up. So here the price action is proved, right? But now if you see here, it went up, so it has to see, there is no bottom wick, so it will come down here, it will test, it will go up, again it will come down, it will go like this. See, it went up, came down, went up, came down again. After this rise also it came down, it went up. You see, it went up, again it came down here, again it went up, again it came down, right? So these are the things which are happening currently in the market, right? So 30-minute, it's a good candle. 15-minute, it's obviously a good candle, but the current candle is not looking that much great. We'll switch back to the current candle, and you see it's close around at the same level here. I need to close above this swing, right? So I need a close above this swing, and market is currently doing something at this level only. So let's just see if I can mark it here. Yeah, fine, this looks good, right? You see, these are the support zone breakdown, these were the support zone, and now it's acting as a resistance zone, right? So let's just wait here, and we do have a trend line which is coming here like this. Let's just see. I don't know why I did marked or removed that trend line. Like this, right? So this looks good, giving multiple touches. Yeah. So it's kind of a fake breakout retest, went up, invited buyers, and then came down. Sellers panic, and then it gave a breakout. And after the breakout, you see here there were immediate actions. See, rejection, immediate rejections. Now it's consolidating. So I guess this is going to be a genuine breakout if market closes above the swing. And then our target 1 and target 2, I guess somewhere around here, target 2, if market comes at this level and then market comes down and take my SL, it will be a $50 profit for me, right? So this is the thing currently I'm waiting for. We do have our risk reward ratio here, we'll wait here, right? Fine. See, okay, fine, it's about to hit these people SL again. These people SL, these sellers are trying hard, guys. See, these sellers are trying hard, these sellers are trying hard to push the market down, but buyers are holding the level, right? So if we get another candle, and the high cross, it should be good. Mhm. Okay, I got a reel. Let me just bring it up. Okay, that's a good content, right? Fine. Let me see what I can do here right now. Mm, okay. Okay, guys. I think we need to close our recording right now. It's almost 1.5 hour. Actually, I thought it's 2 hours, but it's almost 1.5 hour. And I'm going to play some games. So we'll see you soon, guys. Candle is closing good in 2 minutes. If this closes above, we can expect our all the target rate. So we'll keep this on and we'll see, right? भाई दोनों मेरे को Okay, guys, I'm not sure how much trade I got, but I'm just back and then target one or I will be okay. Good level as of now. Okay, just give me. Okay, so here I did booked major quantities here. Most 40% quantities I have booked because it's almost 5. I'm holding for a long time, right? And we'll see. We'll add more quantities if I get chance here. But to be precise, what I told, like here, if market goes for this level, I'm going to, like, I'm not going to lose anything in the market, right? So currently I have booked most of the profit, like no, not most of the profit, I can say 50% or 55% because I didn't notice that I closed two orders. And due to this, I was like, by mistake, I closed one extra order, right? But nothing to worry. And we have our targets. It's like around more than 1 is to 2. So I booked most of the profit, right? So if you see, I booked like 1 is to 2.76, right? So it doesn't matter if I booked extra quantity here or not. Okay, and I will be booking more quantities if I get price somewhere around here, right? Yeah, here it will be fine, I guess. To 3387 or 88 probably at this 33 80 from 87 to 88 I can book another 50%, giving me like overall profit of more than 1 is to 2, right? And then I will hold the rest quantity with the, maybe there is a news, right? In the, we'll see if we get a good news prediction, then we will like reduce our SL by, let's say, we'll keep like CTC or like only small loss of around 10-15 bips, and then we'll hold our quantity for like these big targets, probably another 80-90 pips, right? Just wait for that, right there. And I wanted to tell you that, let me see how much I did booked here. Where is today's order? It's a 17, right? Okay, I did close three quantities at once. Fine, 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 fine. Nothing to worry. Is, yeah, here itself, right? So 8, 20, 30, 35, $35 as of now I have booked. And guys, my overall sale was like around 27 or $30. I can say with the overall quantities I one only as of now. But those who know, I booked 1 is to 2 because I booked only 50% quantities. Are you getting my point? I just booked 50% quantity, so that's why it's coming 1 is to 1. If I book all quantity profit, that means I booked 1:2 because still 30-35 dollar running in my account, right? Okay, fine. We'll hold it trade for these target and start on. So once this hits, okay, sorry, I put it here. I wanted to put it on my paper, right? Okay, alert that I set here, and if that alert happens, I'm going to exit more quantities there, right? Okay, we'll close this and then we'll see. I'm already at 1:1.8 with the overall quantity, guys. With overall quantity, I added few quantities at top as well, right? So if you remember correctly, if I just say I added at the right price, it's around giving me 1:2. Sorry, 1:3. Probably 1:3. It's currently giving, right? But I did average of all quantities 3379 point like that, right? So currently giving 1:1.8, 1.9 probably for 1:2. Let's just wait. Did 15-minute candle close good? 1 hour candle close takes everybody just sell. You guys probably happens. And for remaining, like I guess quantities, I will be targeting like $50. I will be targeting, right? So I did book, like I booked 30-35 dollars with the half quantities, and I wanted to half quantities more. That will give another $20, $5. Around $50 then, right? And that $50, see, the like 70% quantity, I will be like 75% quantity. I will be booking around 30 plus 20, around 50 $55, right? But the remaining two quantities, only two quantities, I will be booking $52. Be precise and to be that two quantities will give me a loss of maybe dollar or $5. So I will be risking $5 to get maybe probably more than 50. So this is how the risk reward works in the market, right? So anyways, fine for as of now. We'll just wait here. Let's just hope that we'll get another good chances, right? To have our target plan here games now because my favor. I'm not expecting a kind of 1 minute 100 points 100 pips rally here. I'm expecting market to hit everybody's right and had a momentum in the market. It can go till like the or like these where it can, right? And the news here at 6 expecting to test this high again. So is here, let's say 60, another 50% quantity of the 40-45% quantity, right? Not expected, guys. This 15 minute is a full engulfing candle. Now, if I don't like, if I hold it, I would have like at CTC, right, or with a small profit. But we do book $30-$35 as of now. अरे इसके पास गन है, इसके पास गन है, यहाँ पे जो बैठा है इसके पास गन है भाई, इसके पास गन है। पर इसको मारना है। गाड़ी लेके जा, गाड़ी लेके। मैं कब से बोल रहा हूँ यार, 2 नंबर क्या कर रहे हो भाई? ये रिकॉल होके आके मारा है यार, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, बताओ यार मेरे को। इसके पास गन था भाई साहब। रिकॉल भी नहीं मिला भाई। सो गाइस, इससे वन कैंडल, वन कैंडल, कैंडल 30 pips. If I'm audible, one candle gave 30 pips. Paid every. Okay guys, I do see some momentum in the market as per our Fibonacci. I did added some quantity at market price, but I guess that need to be closed right now, right? Because if you see the sell which I'm planning right now is somewhere around here, and it's giving me almost 1:2, right? So I think I can book some quantities here to reduce the risk because I see kind of a rejection in the market, right? So currently we can see there is a trend line, and the rejection which I'm talking about, it's about this. See, this is the rejection I'm talking about. So currently if you see on hourly time frame, there is a lot of noise, and there is a lot of rejection, and this rejection which I'm talking about, right? Not on smaller time frame but on higher time frame. So 30-minute not good, 15-minute not good, even this candle is indecision candle, right? So and there is a news coming up in half an hour, so I don't want to be equipped with the more quantities, right? So I will be closing few quantities here, and then so if I book few quantities profit here, that means I'm going to have more, like even if market comes down and hit my SL, right? See this 20 pip SL, even if market comes down and hit, I already book like $4.17 out of it, right? So that means I will be at no loss situation right now, right? So even if market comes down and hit my SL, I will be at no loss, right? So currently I booked somewhere around here 1:1.3 it's showing, but if you consider these things, see it's like around 20 pips is my SL. So even if market comes down 20 pips, I will be losing like $4, but I have booked $4 profit already, so it is like 1:2 for me right now, right? And I have few more buying entries which I am holding right now, and I like I would have added more quantities and hold it for like big targets. Currently I'm doing the same thing, like I have added more quantities, but I'm not holding for bigger target. There was a reason, because there is a news coming up in the market, right? And as per the data, it shows it's important news, so market may travel with like on my direction, opposite to my direction, but it can lead to wiping out my account, right? So I don't want to wipe out my small account, I just wanted to grow it, so I am doing this thing. But let's just wait here guys, right? All the way, all the things that we can do is like we can wait here, right? If I can say, I'm at like 65% quantity up in the trade, including the quantities which I added right now, excluding which I booked already, right? So currently we are at like more than 50%. Previously I told you guys I am like at less than 50% quantity I have, because I did book some three quantities at once. I didn't notice that it was four quantity trade, right? So I closed like three trades. I thought it just two quantity trade, but I closed three trades, which where I was not supposed to do that, right? But in this retracement, if you see on this hammer candle, green candle, after SL hunting, I did added four quantities here, and then I booked two quantities somewhere around here, and I'm holding two quantities, and the target will be like 1:5 for that trade, right? So let me do one thing, let me keep it in the system because it's giving me good profit right now, right? So keep target in the system, keep SL in the system for this swing trade. We'll be keeping as just like $2 loss for this trade. Let's make it $4 guys, because we have booked a good profit of $4 in the trade, right? So let's make it 4.5. We will be losing like $0.5 in this trade right now, which I took at retracement here, right? So and I can close trade at CTC, I can close trade at here, I can close trade at here, at any time I can close the trade. But in order to be on safer side before the news, I wanted to take initiative to limit my losses, right? So that's what I'm doing right now. And you see, right, if I wait for the reversal candle and if I book right now, I will be in loss, right? So I booked somewhere around here, and I would like, I'm glad to book that profit, right? Because anyway, like it's I know it's something like very small profit for some guys, but for me it's a good profit for the account which I'm trading, right? So currently the account which I was trading at $100, it's already up by maybe 350. I do have a payout of $100 on that account, right? But yeah, remember I did pay in that, I think twice or thrice that account, and then it grow to, let's say, 250, 350, like kind of thing, right? But yeah, we can grow that account. I can say I can prove that, right? But let's just move that account to, let's see, one day we'll be closing that account in maybe $1,000 or maybe a $10,000 and maybe a $50,000 and maybe $100,000 also, right? So let's hope for that. I will, like, if we can achieve that in next 1 year or 2 year, same account, right, without paying much from our banks. We will be trading with the same amount. We'll be taking out the regular profits, maybe let's say $100, $50, $200, whatever it may be, right? And at some point, if you think, okay, we have made 10x of your account, let's say $100 account now converted into $1,000 account. So at that time, we can reduce, like we can take, we will do one thing. We'll just initiate like. We'll start trading from maybe let's say $200 or $300 account, right? So currently I'm using only $100, so at that time we can start using 200 $300 fund, right? And then at later some point, if we reach to $5,000 account, then we'll modify the risk to let's say 300 $500, right? So it will be the same trade, but there will be a lot of psychological impact in our trade, because at the time currently if we are losing like $20, $15, $10 in a trade, in a scalping, let's say we are taking only $5 risk, $6 risk, and in a long trade we are losing like $20, $15 to $30, like that, right? And retracement, if we add quantity, obviously it becomes $30 risk, but that too with the confirmation, and that too with a solid 5-star setup only, right? Not, I'm not going like 100% quantity with the scalp setup, which is like less likely to give me a sure shot profit, right? So we'll just wait here, nothing to worry. And hide everything, click on the 5-minute time frame, 5-minute candle. See guys, this is what news says, right? See, these are the good candles, and these are the news impact candles. See, one candle down, second candle up, again third candle down, again candle up, again candle down. So there is like indecision happening in the market. And if you see, this is like the zone which market has made, right? So what market can do in the news, it can come down here, it will take the sell, then it can go up, it will take the sell, and then it can again come down. So it can happen because of this momentum, right? So we have already discussed on higher time frame, 4-hour time frame, there is a flag and pole pattern kind of a thing, there is a fake breakout and market can go down. So by taking these SL again, like going this, it can go down and hit the stop losses and then come down, right? Or it can do it, it will directly straight away come down here, it will hit the everybody's SL, it will tap the level, and then it will shoot up and it will give target within like 20 15 30 minutes, like within half an hour it will give you like 200 300 pips, that is 20 30 points, right? So I don't want to get trapped in such scenarios, so that's why I'm trying to get exited from the trade before the news, and then we'll add again positions if market gives us an opportunity, right? So currently I'm in like profit of $20 for the quantities which I'm holding, and overall up by let's say 50 $60 up, 60 $65 up, right? So anyway, fine. That's good for the day as of now, because we did took some good trades today, right? So we betted and then we took the trades, right? We took the trades, fine. As of now, hourly candle, let's see, it has a top wick right now, right? So now if you see, now it has a top wick, and if it creates a bottom wick, we will be at CTC, or even we will be at some loss also, right? So these things happens in the market. So if there is a bottom wick and then market is going upside, I was like sure and holding with this bottom wick, right? But here there is no bottom wick, so I'm quite worried, right? But we can consider this as a bottom wick, but see, this is like a wick, this is like a wick, this is like a wick. Bottom wick should look like this. See this candle, you see this candle, okay, there is a volume coming up in the market, I can see there is a very good volume in the market, right? I don't know it's a fake volume or what, but there is a big volume candle in the market. So let me just be on my broker chart. 15-minute candle, I told you guys, right? So there is a big volume up in the market. See, candle close, the last minute it has given so much good move here, right? Okay, let's just see if the volume continues, because I can see there is a rally, there is a base, so I can say there is like kind of a time correction here, and if it gives a breakout, it should be another this rally, right? So let's measure the rally. So we can expect like rally like this, almost let's say 10 points. So let's just say it can go till like this level. So this level we can expect here, maybe, yeah, this level we can expect, I guess. Let me mark this. We can expect these levels, right? In the upcoming, like if this is a breakout and this is a retest and going upside, we can expect these levels like 3392 somewhere around here, right? But it's up to market, and we have only one thing in our hand, and that is the risk, right? So that risk we wanted to take, and then we'll see. Fine. And it's almost 2.5 hours, so I did play it game for maybe half an hour or maybe 45 minutes. I played games, and at that time I was on mute, I guess. I don't know why I was on mute or not, but I think 2 times I came live. I told you, okay, this thing happening in the market, I did some drawings, and here I did some entry, and then I took entry and I booked some 50% profit, and now this trade is like risk free, right? Not CTC. If CTC, that means I'm booking $4 profit, right? But here it's like risk free because I put a stop loss of 4.4 58 or something, right? So we'll see. Now the candle, like this was a big volume candle, but the next candle there is no continuation. So I'm a bit worried about the candle because this is a big volume candle. See, this is the first big volume candle. This is the second big volume candle. Both candles are same, but here they have invited sellers and they have invited buyers. So I'm not sure whether this zone is still valid. Like whether they have trapped it, right? See here, sellers trapped, here buyers trapped. So both things can happen in the market. So everybody, those who sold at here, they have their SL somewhere around here, and their SL got hit, and those who bought it here and their SL was at here, and here the SL got hit. So both things are like here working fine because market is in range. So if there is a trendy momentum in the market, if market comes here, takes out this SL and gives a structure like this, we can say okay, these sellers are trapped and market is moving upside. But currently it's like this was the rally, this was this retracement. It has to go like this. If it crosses the swing, we can say it's a uptrend, but it's in the range, so we say this is the trap for the seller, this is the trap for the buyer, right? Because see, it did made a swing here and it gave breakout, and after the breakout it has to travel up higher, but it's coming down slowly. So this, what does slow mean? This is like a this thing. So if market slowly comes down here, we have to take SL and exit from the trade, because see, slowly we got our target, right? So that thing can happen in the market after the trapping, right? Okay, we had so much drawings on the chart, so let's clear that, and the next 5 minute candle, we'll see how it's going. As of now, it's not good. We'll hide every drawing here. We do have our target here. If market crosses or touches these levels, so I have like 3388.9, so somewhere around here exactly, right? So in the my broker terminal, if it crosses, no matter it's a small candle, big candle, even if I see a small rejection, I'm going to book my another 50% quantities here, right? And for the trade which I took somewhere around here at 3381, which is probably, let me say exact price, 3381.117, 3388.117, 117. So somewhere around here I took, yeah, probably at here I took the trade. It's currently giving me like 40 pips, 30, 35, 40 pips, right? So 45 pips. So I will be booking maybe probably at, I don't know, 91, 92 I will be booking. But if I see, like I can book here like half quantity, because I'm holding two quantities. So I will book half quantity here, $7, and another $12 I will book that. So $20 I will be booking, $4 already booked, so $25. And the risk was like how much? Almost $8 risk. So $8 risk, and I will be booking 24. That is almost 1:3 trade, right? On a retracement setup, right? But let's just hope that in the news it should not trigger our SL, right? Okay, guys, I will be on mute for some time. Let's drink water and then come back again. Okay, guys. 5 minute candle close red. And what about 15 minute? 15 minute candle close good. But there is one thing to worry. There is a top wick. Currently there is a top wick, but I wanted a bottom wick first. So if it gives a bottom wick and then moves up, that will be more professional and the convincing, right? See, like this. But currently what it has given, it went up and coming down like this, right? So if it breaks the swings, that means it's going to come down all the way till our buying level. And for the news, if you see, for the news we have many stop losses. See guys, I will tell you one thing. See, first SL buyers, second SL buyers, third SL buyers, there are like 1 2 3 4, these 4 SL are present in the market, and there is one sellers SL in the present, right? So I don't know what market will do in this news, but for sure I can say before the news, at least market should take these SLC first, and this, like, this is the swing, same swing here, equal high we can say. It should take this swing, guys. So if market hits and triggers the stop losses here, even if come downs here, I'm ready to book some profit at here. So if it triggers these stop losses here, I will be out from the trade like 50%, and even if market comes down and hit my SL at here, I will be losing nothing, right? But let's just wait here. I hope that can happen in the market, right? But let's just wait here. As I told you, on 15-minute time frame, the current price action is like this. So it's went up, came down, again went up, again came down. So it's currently like this price action. We here at this level, yeah, at this resistance level, right? By any time, if it crosses just one candle, it will trigger everybody's sell. By just one candle, it will trigger everybody's sell, I can say, right? So these things can happen. Now 15-minute candle has a bottom wick as well, right? So we can say this is going to be the support as of now. But if you just look at the 1 minute time frame, this is just a 1 minute candle, guys. See, just 1 minute candle, it did so swing SL, it did hit it. This hammer candle SL, it did hit it, and we have a SL at this level, right? So let's just say we'll do one thing, we'll see price action at this level. If market is not making any price action at this level, we'll exit all, because I know I told you guys, right? So I'm not going to hold it for the news, right? And if you see, it is like somewhere around 3382, 8182, right? 8182 is in the zone. And I don't know where is my exact buying price right now after exiting so much quantities. I guess it will be at 79.700. So probably I guess that will be, I will be 7980. So around this level I have my buys, right? Don't see, I bought all quantities here. I bought quantities here, here I bought, right? So at this level, if you see, and the 4 quantities I bought here, so on an average, the average is somewhere around here, average, right? And it is like in profit. And if market comes down here and comes like in this range, it will be like CTC or a small profit. So I will be booking small profit, or like kind of these things I can do, right, in the market. So wait here, wait here. If I show you all these drawings, it looks like this, right? We'll keep SL like 3375 in the system, right, for all the orders. Let's just keep SL for all the orders. Modify TP 3375. So 6, 10, 15, 20. So it's like $20 SL I put in the system, guys, right? So I'm currently at $20 loss. I mean, if markets comes very sharp down, so I will be losing $20. Are you getting my point? The reason I'm saying, because I put system stop loss in the system, right? Because I don't know where, when the news come in the market, maybe 5 minutes before the market or 5 minutes after the market, right? So because of that, I put SL in the system, and previously when market was trading at this zone, I have not put single time SL in the system, right? So you have to watch the previous or early start of the video, so that you will get why I not put the stop loss in the system. What was my mindset? I was talking with you guys always, right? And up by $90, probably $90, I can say up by $90 is one single trade. Entered twice or thrice in the same trade, booked few profits, 50% profits I booked. Again re-entered, again booked 50%. $4 or $5 is like almost 5% of the account, right? 5%, 3.5% of the account. That too with the half quantity. So if you see full quantity, it's giving me $15. So $15, that means I am up by 15%. Probably not 15, $150 was the account when I started trading. So it will be like 10%, right? So about to hit our target. So let's wait here. If market hits target, that's going to be the very good trade, right? So we'll wait here. We have a sharp rejection at 89 and then 91. So we'll keep that in mind. If we see any reversal candle, we will start booking our profits, right? So it's at resistance level, you can clearly see. This is the resistance level. You see this SL got hit here, right? So just a spike, it came in the market, right? See the spike. Are you getting my point? And how much it's remaining? It's remaining by 7 pips, almost 0.7 point, and we missed our target, right? Anyways, fine, we'll wait here. Market is going in a good rally as of now. See, up more retrace, up more retrace, up more retrace, and kind of a thing. So if sellers are invited here and then the buyers want to take their SL, market will move again very sharp up, right? See, here invited, here invited, here invited, here invited, here also invited. So if gives a trend change, then that's thing to worry. But if it moves up, then it will move up again, up and up and up and right. So let's see. FOREX Forex Factory. Let's say Forex Factory news. Okay, it did going up fine. I don't know why my alarm. Let me see my canvas, session break, watermarks, alarm line. It should be black, right? Canvas and status line. Previous day close is there, high low is there. Save this, fine. Status line, volume, okay, no. Symbol, no. I don't have setting for this alert line, right? So my background chart is almost white, and the status line for the alert is also white line. So it's kind of a worry. Okay, we have a both volume candles, seller volume. We have a good sale candle, guys. Okay, we'll open this. See, this is a huge volume sale of candle. I don't know, but this is a huge selling candle. I mean, not huge selling candle, huge volume sell of candle. Are you getting my point? So I will mark it for you guys. What are the candles which I see? Okay, we'll do one thing. I have volume chart in my. Will show you guys, right? See. Okay. I need to show you drawings, guys. We'll just hide this. We'll just keep it this and paste it, right? See. I will tell you like this, right? See. This is the same chart, right? See, this is a rise fall. So this is the volume candle. So this is the volume candle, big volume candle. Then there is a buying volume. See, this was the buying volume, right? Then there was the two sell of candles, but there was again buying candle. So I bought it here, right? It went up, came down, and this was the big buying candle. I told you, this was a big buying candle. See, big buying candle. Then we had a two buying candle, one sell candle. Two buying candles, one sell candle. Again, we had like buyers and sellers 50-50, but sellers look strong here, right? See, this is the big selling candle, big volume sell of candle. I'm not saying it's a selling candle, but these are the big volume. So that means here there are many orders that are triggered, right? So let me, I think you got this right now, right? So what is the volume candle and all, how we can compare that, right? So we'll delete this, and you can see here, guys. So you see we have a buy here, so which we took here. Then we had previous buy, previous buy, previous buy, and for this order we have a dotted line as a SL in the market, right? So let's just delete this, and market is at our price. So let's try to book some profits here. Maybe I can reduce some quantities here. Partial close once the high get cross, same candle high. I am going to book, right? Because it's about at the same level. See, same level, it's taking resistance. Okay. And 5 minute, I guess 5 minute just close, right? See, 5 minute just close, right? So I don't know whether this is a reversal candle or fake breakout or not. See, if this candle reverses, that means this is a fake breakout. Are you getting my point? If it directly comes down, 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 that means this is a fake breakout. So this can happen in the market. So that's why I'm worried. And remember, I put all stop losses in the system. So if any candle, single candle comes here, I will be like, there will be, of course, there will be, if there is a news, there will be slippages. But if market goes in my favor, there will be also rewards also, right? But I'm expecting, let's just wait here. maybe 20-30 pips slippage we can expect. I mean, I can manage that 30 pips slippage, but not more than that, because it's $100 risk and I have like only taken, like I booked almost $30-35. Let me see on my phone how much did we book today, right? So let's come and open Xness here. Let's see, let me open my profile. I did book $41, I think, including the last $4, right? So $41 we booked, right? And $41 we booked, and we are risking $20. So we will be still in $20 profit if market comes down and hit our all SL. But if market like gives us a slippage, let's say how much quantity we do have here. I have like around 7 quantities, so 10 points, sorry, 1 point SL, it will be $7 extra loss. 2 points, it will be another $7. So I will be losing like for every 20 log, for every 1 point slippage I will be losing like $7 extra, right? So if 20 point slippage I will be losing like $4, and if there is like 3 point SL I will be losing like $14-15, right? Okay, market is at our level. It just crossing. There are 2 minutes for the news, and let's just see, guys. I'm not open any stream, so we'll open stream, guys, right, for you, because I wanted to see if whatever the plans are there for the people side. So news coming up in the 2 minutes. Okay, he is the person online. Then okay, we'll just switch back to the live. Okay, these are the people's booming bulls is there. This is the devil is here. Academia. Okay, I do see. Okay, we have, okay, one more here, one more here. Well, let's just see how. Okay, he's also in the buys, right? Okay, fine. So I guess sentiments are kind of a buyish, bullish is there. Individual, if I see no online, he's also not online. He's also not online. So APY is not online. Trade room is not there. Trading text rate, I guess, is also not online, because it should show some kind of a thing, right? Okay. So I guess most of the people are not online. So we'll just wait here. We'll close the stream. News I especially I don't trigger, right? So let's just move it here and see. Okay, it's not triggering the exact level which we wanted. It's just giving a spike, right? So what should we do? Okay, we'll close the order here. I mean, we'll close the single order window, and I will be on the full window. So either I will be exiting full quantities or whatever it may be, right? I don't know what happens in the 1 minute, next 1 minute, whether it will trigger my sell or it will just go up and trigger my target, right? So we can do it like, okay, keep it open, guys. Keep it open. I had only one target place for this swing trade, for this retracement trade, guys, on a 5 minute time frame, which we took somewhere around here, right? So I have only one put target like this at 91.560, which is somewhere around here. For this trade, others are open with the SL, right? Hope 1 minute to go, guys. I don't know. This is like first time I'm holding such quantities with the SL, right? I don't know whether it will trigger the SL or it will trigger the target, right? But anyway, 25 seconds to go, and I'm recording. I should be on live, guys, right? I should be on live, but I'm just recording 2 hours and 49 minutes. It's been 2 hours and 49 minutes, and it did going down. We'll switch back to the 1 minute time frame, guys. We'll switch back to the 1 minute time frame. Bye bye. Fine. And this I will be just minimizing it here. 1 seconds to go. Let's just see. I'm ready. Okay, someone just texted me. Fine. I guess there is no news. I guess I don't know. It's just like fine. I guess I don't know when it will be out. Pending is there, right? Fine. I refresh this. I'm seeing very small momentum in the market. I guess this news is not like here. It's a rate, so that's why I'm saying it's actually what we say. It's a big news, but I don't know. Okay, building permits. I don't know. It's like reduced and not a good impact. I guess I don't know. I'm not sure. I have not traded. Unemployment claims. Actually, it's good news that certain people has got like it got. Okay, previously it was 2,48,000, and currently it's like less. So I guess that will be a good news for USD. So there are employment increase, right? And it did housing stats. I don't know. I'm a bit confused here, right? Because I don't see any momentum at all in the chart as well, right? So I'm not going to do anything, guys. Let's just skip. I think the news is out, right? See, all the news are out, and there are like two news which are like around 8. So I guess it's just like flat guys, right? So we don't need to do anything, we don't need to worry about anything. So market will grow as planned, right? So hourly candle, it did take the sell, tap the selling zone, coming slowly down. So I think we can expect a good retracement here. Let's just see what we can expect. Okay, it did give a fake breakout kind of a thing. Okay, let's just wait here. I guess nothing happened in the news, right? So, and if I tell you, there was big volume before the news, almost 10-20 minutes before that, there was a good volume, but on the news, there was no volume. Anyway, fine. 5 minute candle, there are still 3 minutes left, and there was like news, no impact. So let's just wait. I hope this high get crossed here so that I can book another 50% quantity, and then I can hold the remaining with my trailing SL, right? The reason why I'm saying a trailing SL, because I'm not going to take full SL right now, right? So if my 50% quantity get executed, let's say market goes up and then comes down, it should take support from this level and then go up. So like it should be do like this. It come down here, it take this SL. I'm not entertaining the market, right? So here I'm not putting my SL. I'll be putting SL at this level. So it will be at CTC or somewhat like 10 pips, right? Not the 25-35 pips, right? Okay, I guess that's it for today, guys. It's been almost 3 hours. I will be recording another 10 more minutes. Not 10, only 7 minutes. In that 7 minutes, whatever happens, we'll discuss. And then after that, I'm going to close every. I am not order, but I will be closing this recording, right? Because 3 hours, I don't know how much system has covered the storage, right? So I don't know. Let's see. Let's wait. Okay, 15 minute, first 5 minute is the bottom wick, so it's a good sign. See, I told you when this candle was like red, so it was going down in 15 minute. But now in this 15 minute, it first came down. So if it went up, it's a good sign. Are you getting my point? So this things happens. So let's just wait here. This news is like flat news, and let's just see whatever the other people says, right? So let's just wait here. Oh, okay, it looks like 1 minute decision candle is pending here, right? So yeah, so this is the decision candle. See, it's the bottom and top and everything is happening here, right? So whatever it will go up and down like that, right? And now the real candle, the real game begins here, right? Okay, it did tap the zone hour, but I need just like closing. Okay, it didn't close above. See, if this candle goes up with the flow, it should be a good rally, but I don't know what happens here. 5 minute candle, last 40 seconds to go. If it crosses above, let's just see. Okay, we'll open in a second window so that I will be okay. It's crossing my level, right? So let's just try to book some profits here. Come here, one quantity. Let's book one quantity here. Close, fine. I did close one quantity here. Okay, if I waited here, I would have got another $1 extra. But anyway, fine. It did give a breakout. All this. Okay, just extend a bit here. Okay, it took rejection, right? That's a good thing. I did booked. I booked at how much? 30. 88.360. I don't know where I. Okay, 88.360. Yeah, fine. It's fine. Exactly at closing level, I did book, right? Okay. I guess doesn't looks good to me. Okay, fine. It's actually a good candle, but there are 9 minutes left, right? So I don't think so. What should I do? I just booked one quantity, guys. I just booked only one quantity. Okay, my XNS is giving me so much messages that level is crossing, level is crossing, level is crossing. Okay, price not updated. Okay, $51 booked as of now, 51 running, $100 as of now, right? Okay, fine. Let's open up here. It should not give me an copyright, right, for playing music. Okay, 1 minute, whatever, what is okay. It's a good sign that it closed above, but how much was the news worth? It worth 35 pips. Okay, 1:1, that is fine. 35 pips are your salary. Okay. Can it hit the round number? But before that, there is a hurdle at 92, then there is a hurdle at 94. You can say this is a zone, and then we have at 3400 round number, right? Hourly candle, I guess 23 minutes remaining. So if this candle closes like this, next candle I can expect a very good rally. Maybe like this, 40 points. Yeah, probably at our level, right? Oh, fine. Okay, I didn't close one entry here, right? So let me close another one lot here. I guess I missed how much? $1. That's probably fine. Let me delete this alert first, guys. It's giving me so many things. Okay, where was that? Okay, alert was only once in the trading view, right? So that was fine. Okay, I guess we don't need to keep this SIP buying area. Also, we don't need to see this drawing. Also, we don't need this trend line right now. Also, what we don't need here, I guess this line, we will keep that, right? So it's helping us. It is fine. It's back to the 1 minute time frame. See, is there any trend line going up, down? No. From here, no. This is a very steep trend line, guys. See, this is a very steep trend line. I actually don't believe such trend lines, right? Sometimes it takes support and goes directly up in a one way, and sometimes it directly give breakdown. No retest, nothing like that. It's just like going down and down and down, right? So we'll be deleting this, but that works actually. But I can't like trade that trend line because see, I can't predict things on such trend line. So if there is a trend line like this, so market going up and went up, and then I can say it will come to this trend line. There was a reason because this is the bottom, this is the top, right? So if you mark like Fibonacci from bottom to the top, you will notice that it is coming at 0.5 0.618 level, right? Are you getting my point? So here it can take support, I can say. But if the trend line is like this, see like this, so it's not like very good support here, so it's like a gambling here, right? So that's why I'm not I don't trade like such kind of very angled or very steep trend lines. I need a like smooth trend line, so it will go, market will go slowly or like fast up, then it will either come for time correction slowly down here at this level. I will buy it and then again it will move up like this, right? But not okay. I did book only one quantity, I wanted to book half, but now see what happening in the here. It gave a fake breakout, right? See, I told you na, it gave a fake breakout. So what is this showing to us currently? Come here like this called as a fake breakout because candle close below. If I show you this, I will show you drawings here, you will notice that there is a support and it just close below the support. So if it goes up and takes rejection and moves down, so it will be downfall, retest and again downfall. So it will take all the people SL which we discussed, and the trend line or the channel which is performing, it will try to continue to follow the channel, right? So these things can happen. So and you will notice and you will see. Okay, I guess it's almost 10 minutes right now after the news, and I think market is still on the support and it's giving us top week right now. So if it reverses, there will be less chances that market will go and hit our target. But currently, as of now, if you can see here, almost 1:4 hit, right? So that's what I wanted to book another one quantity here, right? And market is at my level, so I'll be again booking one profit, one quantity here, right? No matter if it goes up or down, but I will be booking at $8. Maybe let's say 8 points, I will be booking 80 points here. Almost okay, it is at the top, guys. I don't know whether it will go till that top or not, but I will for sure I will be booking one quantity because I missed that. and I regret that I didn't book that quantity, right? So 7.5, I guess that's fine. 7.5, okay, 7.47 I have booked, but that is fine because previously also I think yesterday or 2 days before I did, like, we did miss some profit because of round number. I wanted to book at $10 and I just missed that and it hit our stop loss, right? So before that, instead of that, I wanted to book early. So 50 cents, like 50 points, is just like nothing. We can take in any trade, but here the important is that rule. I didn't follow the rule, right? So if I hit my 1:4, I have to book like 70% quantity, right? Now 4 quantities I am out, and I will tell you how much I booked in this trade. So I did book like $4 plus $7, $11 I have booked in this trade. See, 4 quantities, $11 booked, and SL was how much? 8. 4 into 2, $8. For a $8 I booked almost how much? $11 or $12. See, $12, that means 1 is to 1.5 already booked, right? 1 is to 1.5 booked. If market comes down, hit my SL, I'm not going to lose anything. Are you getting my point? And if market goes up and hit my target, I'm going to book another $10. So 12 into 12 plus 10, it's probably 22. So see, for $8 rigs, I am booking almost 21 or $22. If I book at $10, right? So it's a 8. My target is at 91. See, almost $2, 20 pips away, right? So if I extend my target to this swing, it will be another how much? It's almost like 98. So it will be another $10. So $8 I booked, another $10, $18. So 18 plus this 20, sorry, 11. So it will be how much? I don't know. I don't know, but it will be very good, right? So let's just see. Bring up calculator here. See, 11 or 12, 11 point something I booked. Let's say $12 I booked, and I had like order pending for $10, right? So let's see, $10. So total I will be booking 22. But if I book like $18, it will be 30. Are you getting my point? But here I can do one thing. I can trail and I can extend it to like round number at 3400. I can keep that target, right? See, I can keep like $18, $19 target, right? So these things happens in the market. Okay, I guess we don't have drawings on this. We have a trading view drawings here, right? So how much time remaining? 2 minutes remaining, and market is going in our direction. We are getting interest, 50-minute breakout, and if I see this breakout on hourly time frame also, that is going to be okay. How much was it? It was like, see, this, there was a one green candle, it was almost 100 pips, 110 pips, 11 points. Then there was a follow-up candle of almost how much pips? Another 9 pips. So around from like this candle closing, it went up like 20 pips. So if we consider like from here, it will be at top around 3395. And if the candle closes and again went up, so there is a primary target of 3395. So almost 6 pips, sorry, 6 points we can target. So 6 point is my primary target for this as of now, right? So 6 points. So let's say 6 point will be somewhere around here, right? So day high, or like is back to the 5-minute time frame. We do have a swing here. We have a consolidation here, right? And how much PP is away? 30 to 50. So let's take an average. Let's say it's at 94, 92, so 93.5 or something like this. So it can travel like almost 40 pips. So we'll keep extending our target like 40 pips, and let's just see whether market gives us or not, right? Fine. It did close good, guys. It did close good. 15-minute candle close good, and there is like only 15-minute left. If this 15-minute closes strong green, I guess next candle can give us good profit. Because see, for a very long time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, fifth, how much? 6th, 7th, 8th. This is going to be ninth time. Ninth time market pushing higher like this. So here it will be consolidating, and again it will, if it shoots up, it will shoot up till first target, second target, like this, right? Like here we have to map like this: first target, and then we have second target, third target, fourth target, like this. But I guess if it gives like so much consolidation breakout like this, it should at least give like these points. Let's see how much it is. almost 20 points from the breakout, which will be around here, and then double of that, so another 20 points. So here it can go like 3 3 3 3, like 3 3 3 3, no, sorry, 3 4 3 3. It can go till these levels, but it has to like consolidate here, give small candles. So if it gives big candles, that means it's going to again reverse, right? Because it's in the zone. So channel pattern, if it respect, it will again come down here, it will take everybody's sell, like then it will again shoot up and it will do like this, right? So anyhow, let's just wait here. 5 minute candle, you see it did close up and then it's coming down, but nothing to worry. We can see, I told you guys, up move, retrace and up move. See, there is a up move, retrace, up move, retrace, up move, retrace, like this, right? So we don't need to worry about that most of the time. And you see, we did book some profit at this level, one quantity we did book. If we didn't book, again we will be regretting that thing, right? See, where did we booked? We did booked exactly like this candle, maybe somewhere around at bottom. Maybe we didn't book at top, but here we booked, right? So if we hold, we would have booked $8, but 7.5 is also a good amount, right? Because $8 and $7.5 is just 0.5, so nothing much difference here, right? So we do have a swing here. If market, like you see, if market gave a breakout here, it did close 2 times and there is a support here. If market really wants to give a big retracement, it will take first SL, second SL, third SL. So it will come down here at this level, it will tap the level, again it will go up. And based on that, if I mark Fibonacci, see, yeah, so if I mark Fibonacci, this is going to be my fib level, fib buying zone, and then it can shoot up. Simple analysis, every time I do the same. And if I get tired of all these things, I will be just closing the all entries, and then that's it, closing for the day. Okay, I did cross the 15-minute candle, right? And see, I told you this is hourly close. If hourly candle closes strong, on that basis only it can go up. If hourly candle closes like this or goes like this, I am not expecting market will go up. It can go up, but I am not expecting that it can go up, right? The reason why, because see, previous candle it did SL hitted. See, SL, day high SL hitted, it never retested it, it straight away came down here. Now this was the swing, and now this was the swing, and this is the breakdown. See, this is the breakdown, this is the breakdown. So it went up, it took everybody's SL like here, and it's coming down, down, down. If it doesn't moves up, if it just goes down and down and down, expect down, down, this, sorry, this breakout fell, everybody trapped, everybody trapped, everybody trapped. This is the support, everybody trapped, and now it can travel how much? Let me show you. It can travel like this much, 58 points, this much, 40, 50 points. So there will be level, either from here it will go up, or from here it will go up, like this or like this. But this, everybody, those who bought here, those who bought here, bought here, like this, those who bought here, here, those who bought, everybody's SL will get hit, price directly come here, and then it will shoot up. So remember guys, this is a big game, guys, this is a big player game. So that's why I always told you, go for daily. For daily, what I'm saying, it's an engulfing candle, these are the two doji candle, that means downfall, doji again can give a downfall. But there are three continuous green candles, that means up move, retracement, it's consolidating, it will create a trap and then shoot up, right? So this is the trap, and yesterday there was a trap. But when it will confirm, when it crosses the swing here. So when it crosses the swing here, we can expect high, all time high. Sky is the limit. Are you getting my point? Sky is the limit. But if by default comes down here, there is a support only at this level, so it will come down here again, retrace, it can come down till this level also, or this levels. And these are like triple bottom, sorry, triple top, triple top, and the neckline is somewhere around here. So first target, second target, third target, like this you can take. So remember guys, keep in mind, 4 hour time frame, again I will tell you, there is a downfall, there is range breakdown, first target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target, sixth target. How much is it? You have to just trail 150 points, 1500 pips, It's a big target, guys, right? But here the probability is like very less. Probability is very less. If you are shorting it here, your sell is coming up like $16, $17. But if market gives you a target, it will give you a 150, probably 1 is to 10, right? So be ready for that also. It's up to how much trades you take in a week, because this is going to be a monthly trade. See, this is going to be like almost how much, 1 2 3 7 8 days. This is going to be like 2 3 days, and another it will take 7 8 days to fall, right? So this is going to be like swing trade. See, it's doing started here, it went up, it came down, it went up. See, there is a up move, there is a retrace, and then going upside again, there will be retracement. So it can go up from any point. Here you just need to focus on your risks, right? Currently I'm at a good level as of now. Running profit is like 30 $34, and I think something, I think, right? Hourly candle, there is just like 7 minutes. Oh, sorry, it's a 4. Okay, 4 hour candle close is there, guys. I didn't notice this was a 4 hour candle. So 4 hour is like a good candle close. There are like two bottom rejections. If you see it, if two bottom rejection, there is a probability to go up, right? So that means it's a good thing, it's closing green. There are still 7 minutes left, right? And the candle is like only 25 pips positive. See, so 7 minutes, it's a very big time to close 25 pips negative, right? So it can go down like 50 pips, 70 pips in just 7 minutes, because in the morning we have seen this kind of a trendy momentum, right? So it can convert into red also, but let's hope that it will close green and it will go up again, it will create a 40 50 pips green candle, right? But we don't know what will happen in the market, so let's just wait here, right? And I'll do what I wanted to tell. Okay, let's switch back to the hourly time frame. Hourly is like kind of a closing good as of now. If it is closed somewhere around here, it will be a positive sign, and rejection will be totally covered here, right? See, this rejection is like totally covered here in this candle. So there is a rejection at top, but we can consider that, right? So there is nothing to worry about that. And 4 hour, same. 1 hour, good, I can say as of now. If candle closes here, 30 minute total, 6 minutes remaining, and this is a total sweep, liquidity sweep is here, right? And you see there is no bottom wick here, that is the thing to worry. See, there is no bottom wick. So I wanted to come here and then go up. See this candle, what happened, it went up, came down here, again went up, right? So this kind of a price action we needed in the market. 15 minute, see, total reversal. Even though previous candle closed very green above the level, showing clearly a breakout, this is total reversal. 15 minute low also taken out. What message I got? Okay, I got price reached at 3388. I don't know when it was there. Fine. See, it's a total reversal on a smaller time frame, right? And 5 minute, it's a total reversal. I guess we have a trailing SL. Let me see my trade. Okay, we don't have. Actually, I thought I entered somewhere around here, but I forgot I entered here, man. I thought I entered here at this retracement, like up move retrace. I entered here and then price went up, but we did added some quantities here. It went up, it came at retrace, and we did added. We booked some profit here. Okay, final minute and price went up. That's a good sign. 1 minute. Okay, so the I think it's not going to give us time here. I don't know whether this first SL, second SL, both SL hit. I wanted to tap it here, but I guess but let me see if that taps here and then goes up, because there are still 5 minutes left, right? If it directly goes up, that is also fine, but I guess it will not create a green candle here, right? In 5 minutes, if it has to travel to green candle, so it has to travel like how much, 35 pips here, right? So let's just wait. 35 pips, whether it will travel 35 pips or not, it's up to him, right? Okay, 30 minute candle is green or doji as of now. It's a retest, actually, we can say. it did have that retest level, but it has to close above the previous, right? But I think for this downfall there will be some retracement. For this downfall there will be retracement and again fall, right? Okay, 5 minute. Yeah, we did like that. Candle did retested, downfall, retest, and downfall. There is no bottom wick, so we can expect a bottom wick here for this candle, right? So if bottom wick and then goes up, it will be a indecision candle, just like as always, and then it can decide future like this, right? So if goes up, it can go up. If it goes down, it can go down. But if this is a green candle, we can't say anything, because green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle, or like these things are happening currently in the market, right? So we can't predict anything. And we can buy it. See, news is already gone, so we are good to go. And the trend is like positive. Here is the breakout. Here is the breakout. See, this is the price action. See, downfall retrace. It did give breakout. Here it did give breakout. So here if it goes up or retest come here at this level, it's going to create another high. So here is the best way to buy. But as per our risk reward ratio, if it's a high and low, the buying price should be near at this zone. So here I will be interested. My SL will be like this, and I will be targeting this. So here if you notice, this is the target and this is the stop loss, and this is going to be like 1:2 trade. So here there will be more confidence. Instead of buying it here, it will be like let's say 5 point SL and 5 point target. So this is a less confidence trade, this is a high confidence trade, because here losing, like here you are losing $5 and earning $5. Here you are losing like $2.5 and you are earning $7.5. So it's a good thing. Here you will get good confidence at this level, right? Anyway, I think it's enough for the day, guys, and just manage your trades, and we'll be closing stream as of now, because market is in consolidation. We did capture at bottom and we did sold at top. As of now the current top is this, so we booked some profit at here. Even market comes down, we will be at no loss right now, right? So see you guys tomorrow. We'll be uploading this very long video, 3 hour 18 minutes, but do make sure to watch this, because in this video there are like my live emotions, how I executed my trades, what was my mindset. What important thing is what I was planning at this level, because at this level market gave me multiple time signals that I'm going down, 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 and I wanted to hedge my position, right? But I didn't got a confirmation, so I didn't acted. Also I wanted to short at this level also, but here I didn't got any candlestick confirmation, I didn't added. And then I got some good buying signal and I added at retracement. And then you see rest is the history. I booked $11 in the same trade with the risks of $8, and so currently the $8 are still running. So almost $20 with the risks of $8, 1:3 already running, and I'm holding it for like 1:4, 1:5. If it goes still high, or if it goes still high, I'm going to hold it with the trailing SL. See, that one quantity I don't have anything, so I can book like $40 out of it, right, with the risk of only $2. So let's just see, guys. Whatever market can give us, we'll see, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you.